How long will a sourdough starter last between feedings? I'm using a sourdough starter from the recipe in Peter Reinhart's Artisan breads every day, and I have gone through several of the rebuilding cycles with it. It's been working fairly well for me, and I have been refreshing it every week. It is stored in an airtight container in the fridge. How long can the starter be left in the fridge without being refreshed before it's unsalvageable and would need to be thrown out?
The following is paraphrased from Andrew Whitley's excellent book Bread Matters. Wheat leaven. If you intend to use within 2 days, store it at ambient temperature for 2 to 14 days, store it in the fridge. Optionally refresh it before use. For longer, refresh then freeze. Refresh again after thawing. Rye sourdough 0 to 3 days. Ambient temperature 3 to 30 days. Fridge. No need to refresh longer. Refresh then freeze. Refresh again after thawing. Whitley describes constructive neglect. He keeps a rye sourdough in his fridge that's several months old, so that he can demonstrate to students how easily he can take 50 grams of it and produce a lovely sourdough from it within 16 hours. It's a great book. I've had mine sit for 6 months or more without feeding and still have life in it. Don't use such an old one for bread though. Do a thorough wash of it first. Otherwise it'll taste like poop in a gym sock.